This is Tanvi Kazmi again with my news channel See the World through Tanvi Kazmi. Again, I'm here to discuss very important news. It's about country Haiti, which is a small country, but the very important news and very dangerous news is this. It has a gang, it's called gangland. 80% controlled by different gangs. And they're continually fighting each other, giving trouble to each other. It's very important that to take care of this. And this is a Christian land, mostly, are controlled by, managed by the Christians. And I was really wondering what happening here when are we not the one God's family? Are we not children of Adam and Eve? Are we not have holy books teaching us not to divide into groups and always work together to peace of the world, to make this world and the entire universe peaceful? Where is written in any holy book, Quran, Torah, or Gospel says you can create gangs and you are divide yourself based on language, based on sectarian differences, based on any other things? It is definitely, it is in sight of God is very, very hateful, because this is the way our true enemy Satan succeeds. He wants to divide us, he wants to destroy us, and try to fail us. So gangs is not allowed completely. It is a very, very dangerous issue which the many world part of the world and countries has faced, which should never be allowed and should work. What happened? Let's find out why people make gangs. What's the reason? They do when they could not get the rights they expect from the government or the state or the world. So they think it's okay to create a gang and do an armed resistance, which is a very, very dangerous and bad idea. God continue telling us to be patient and do not try to go extreme route, and trust your Creator who gives sends you water from the sky free, put vegetable seeds into the earth, and all kind of fruits given you free, and animals working for you. So we should never try to be arrogant or get more violent when we're not getting our rights, but peacefully you have a right to talk, negotiate, and be patient. God is control of the entire universe. His angels, there are millions of angels, billions of angels, and every kind of control authorities are there who managing. So be patient. Look at the Joseph story in your gospel. He was patient. He became the king of the most powerful country. And there are many stories of the prophets which is telling you that be careful and be patient. So we should never be allowed to have gangs. Let's sit down together and continue dialogue. Tell your grievance. Tell your injustice happened to you. And then be patient. Their time will come that slowly people will understand and it will come to you. But if you think about a child in the house, if you become violent or get more problem in the house, the parents not going to support that child and going to give him trouble. Same thing, the gangs or having armed forces isn't going to destroy you. People become hungry and more difficult for life for them. It's better to talk, continue. You have a right to do, demonstrate peacefully. So go ahead, go do that, and then things will get better. Be one united, one nation, under one God. I hope we can make this world peaceful and again the best land, and tell our Creator that we can rule the entire universe. So let's work together as one family and one nation under one God, and work together with righteousness. Okay, take care. See you next time. Bye.